Hello, my name is Mark Ledford, and today I chose 5 words with 5 different types of typefaces to describe me. First, we have funny. I've been told a lot that I'm kind of funny. And I chose this kind of typeface because it seems kind of professional, but also kind of fundamental. Next, we have enthusiastic. And I thought this one would be more of a bright yellow color to symbolize like a light bulb popping up in your head. And typeface just seems artistic, as in like if you're painting the word enthusiastic, it would be just like this. Next we have is hardworking. And hardworking, I used white and this typeface because it seems just strict and just gets down to the point, like if you're basically working. Next, I have considerate, and I've been told a lot that I'm considerate about others. I always put others ahead of me all the time. I chose this one because it seems like a passionate type of typeface, and same with the color. Next we have, I've been told a lot by my family, is that I'm talkative. And I can chat up a storm. And I use this to typeface because it just felt right, this typeface for talkative. Same with the color. I do talk a lot. And this is my presentation, and have a good day.